Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this cute half up, half down hair look using Better Length clips. I was inspired by Shannon Lily off of the Better Length web Instagram page, and I saw how she did it and I was like, oh my gosh, that's so cool, so cute. I want to try it, and I really like how the results came out. So if you guys are interested in watching how I got these results, stay watching to the very end. So I'm starting off on fresh wash hair, and I'm sectioning out just a little bit of hair just to cover up the track. That's all. And I'm only parting where you see me parting. That's it. And I'm just going to twist that out the way. Then we're going to get started on the braiding pattern. So I'm creating a straight across braid, and I'm just going to braid it straight across. And then I'm also going to create another braid going straight down, and I'm going to hook those two together. You don't have to create as many braids that you think you may need. You don't really need a lot. All I did was basically attach two braids together. That's it. Now I'm taking some Voice of Hair exceller, and I'm going to be applying that to the front of my hair, but also to my scalp. And I'm just going to massage that into my scalp because my scalp can get itchy when I'm not touching my hair. I don't know why my scalp just get itchy. Now I'm taking some bobby pins, and I'm going to just crisscross the braids at the bottom, just pretty much around wherever I can kind of like get the bobby pin in. And yeah, that's it. You just basically want to make sure you bobby pin the back as flat as you possibly can, so there's no bulging. Now we're on to the fun part, the clip-in. So I'm taking one of the longest pieces and attaching that to the bottom of my nape area, and I believe I used about maybe 5 or 6 pieces in the back. I know I used all of the clips for my hair because I don't have any left, but I believe I used 5 or 6 clips in the back. And I'm just basically measuring it out to my head shape and applying it as I need. Now we're moving on up. I'm using some Aussie Moist and hair exceller to soften the front of my hair. That way I'm not struggling with it. And I'm just going to massage that oil into my scalp. It feels so amazing. By the way, I really like this oil because it's really lightweight. My hair loves lightweight oils. So for the front of my hair to get as sleek and smooth as possible, I'm going to be taking a few tools, my edge brush and my regular board bristle brush, some certified Bella pomade, my Bomb Jam Eco Styler, and I'm just going to be first starting off with Eco Styler gel and applying that all over my hair. And then I'm going to take my brush and I'm just going to smooth out any wrinkles you see, like any waves you see in my hair. I'm going to try to get that as smooth as possible. Also, because I am attaching extra hair to my head, I want to make sure that everything is very clean. So I would be lying if I would tell you not to try to make this ponytail as tight as you possibly can, because you need to. You need to make sure, otherwise I've did this style before and it's just gonna look a little lopsided. So just try to make sure it's tight as possible. make sure you have the front of your hair as smooth as possible before we continue. Now I'm going to be taking my Certified Bella pomade and I'm just going to be layering that over my gel just to make sure my curls do not curl. I'm trying to keep the front of my hair, like I said, as smooth as possible. I can't stress that enough. Now I also sometimes use a comb to comb out some of my curls, and then I just take my edge brush and smooth it over. You know black girl magic. Sometimes we just add a little bit of extra just so that our edges are nice and sleek. So that's all I'm doing. Nothing special, just something. So we're not done. I'm just going to take my scarf and just lay that on top of whatever I already just did until I'm done with my whole head. I'm not taking that scarf off until I'm done. Now I'm going to try to braid this as tight as I possibly can. Yeah, my arms are tiring out, all this hard work. But just try to make sure you braid it as tight as you can. I don't know. I feel like if you braid it as tight as you can, it will kind of like slim out the bulk. So that's what you basically see me trying to do, slim out the bulk in my hair. So I'm almost done. All I'm doing is taking the tail of my braid and attaching a clip right onto that just to hook it. And then I'm skipping a few clips and then clipping it, and then skipping a few more clips and clipping it. And once I'm done with that piece of clipping, I'm going to add another layer of clips and I'm going to layer it on top of that, like right on top. And then I'm going to once again clip to hook it to the braid, skip a few clips, so about 3 clips I may have skipped, and then clip it again, and then skip some more clips, and then clip it again until I get to the top. So I hope I made sense, but just rewatch this video if you need to. And also, when you are done with your hair, just double check, make sure it's not loose or anything, make sure it's not gonna fall off, and make sure you don't see any tracks, because I didn't see any tracks when I finished. So we're now at the very top, and yeah, we don't want to see that track, so I'm just going to take some hair from the back and move it on up to the front and just go around in a circle. Go around in a circle. Whoop, whoop. Just go around a circle and place some bobby pins right in there just to make sure it's secured. And that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please leave your girl a big thumbs up, leave your comments in the box below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.